Hi, today I am going to show you how to speed up your computers and the solution of hacking the laptop. So first of all, open the task manager and click on startup. Here you can see many programs. These are the programs that automatically starts when our Windows on. So disable the programs. Only enables that is recommended, like antivirus or a program that you want to run on startup. Step number 2, go to disk defragmenter, type here and optimize the drives. Disk cleanup, right click on the volume, click on the disk cleanup. After selecting the all, press the OK button, and you also can clean the system files. Step number 4, clear the temporary files. Go to run and here you type percentage temp percentage. Here you see the temporary files. Control A and delete the all files. Again go to run. Windows R is the shortcut and type temp, simple temp. Here you also see some temporary files. Press Ctrl A. Now again open the run and type prefetch, prefetch, and select the all files and delete. Go to run, type msconfig, msconfig. Here you see services and many services are running. So stop some services like Adobe updates. Stop all irrelevant services that automatically starts when your computer on, and then apply. Next step is go to power setting and set your laptop to high performance. Thanks for watching. These are some tips. Using these tips, you can increase the speed of your laptop or PC.